Hello again, everybody, and trying something new on the videos here. I'd spend a lot of time driving, and I don't have enough time to do any editing, so I figured I'd just take a couple minutes. And as I drive down the road, I have all these thoughts. I study, all these. I listen to all these blogs and talks and YouTube videos and all kinds of different stuff about cryptocurrency. And so I have all these ideas, but half the time I don't have the opportunity to write them down or the time to write a whole blog post about it. So I wanted to just make this quick video and just talk real quick about some stuff that's going on and some things that I think will help the average person with their cryptocurrencies. And today I'm thinking a lot about really my own retirement strategy and what my plan is with cryptocurrency and how that fits into my overall retirement portfolio. And that's really what I'm thinking on today. So just wanted to take a quick second and just share a few thoughts on that. First of all, obviously there's a lot of different ways to be involved with cryptocurrency. We're still so early on, and I really think that there should be a percentage of everybody's their portfolio should have a percentage of cryptocurrency just for the long-term potential growth. And there's a lot of different ways that you can structure it, a lot of different things that you can do. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor, but I do want to just talk, real quick about having a small percentage, 5-10%, maybe of your portfolio in something that really has so much upside potential in 5 or 10 years or whatever it's going to be down the road, can really pay big dividends in the long term. Now, I don't mean dividends like stock dividends. I'm just talking metaphorically, right? Whatever. So anyway, you want to make sure that you probably have something in cryptocurrency. I mean, you've been hearing about it. People have been hearing about this stuff. There's a couple different ways that you can be involved. I mean, you can just be your own investor. You can buy your own stuff. You can do your own research on, all the different, either Bitcoin or all the other different altcoin projects out there. There's tons of them that are, developing and growing every single day. There's a lot of legit companies out there, and there's also a lot of not legit companies. So, of course, you want to make sure you're doing your due diligence, as you're choosing your crypto portfolio. But with that being said, just keep in mind you want some percentage of money that you just, it's okay if you lose it. Even if it's $20 a week, you just pull out $20 a week and buy a bit of a cryptocurrency project that you really like. Maybe there's a project that's solving a problem that you think long term could be a really awesome solution. I've got several of those in my mind, in my portfolio. That you could also diversify it a little bit with like a cryptocurrency IRA. I know one great company is Regal Assets. I'll link it below. But just have a way to have a basket of basically a whole portfolio mixed together. It's another great way to do it. And then really just from there, one of the things that I've done recently is I've made some actual transactions. I've sold some gold to a friend, or gold and silver to a friend. I had some extra that I wanted to get rid of, but I sold it to him in exchange for some Bitcoin. And it was just a great way to diversify a little bit with the portfolio. So that's all. I just wanted to real quick talk about, let's make sure that you have, if you're going to do something, if you see the potential of cryptocurrency, you've got to understand that long term there's going to be some really, really awesome gains for some people. And not every project will win, of course, but to have some exposure to that could really help you out with your long-term retirement plan. So anyway, with that being said, I'll link a whole bunch of the information there. Hopefully this quick little blurb of my random hatchet thoughts makes some kind of sense and it gives you a little food for thought. Check out the video links below. I appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be doing a lot more of these kind of impromptu videos just as I'm thinking through things and using new products and getting new strategies. So I appreciate you watching. Like the video, write a comment if you have any comments, and we'll talk soon. Thanks.